For knee pain, apply 2 to 3 drops of diluted frankincense essential oil to your palms, rub them together to warm the oil, and gently massage it onto the affected knee using upward strokes and circular motions. For arthritis affecting small joints like fingers or toes, use a cotton ball or swab to apply 1 to 2 drops of diluted frankincense essential oil directly to the affected joint and massage it in. For larger joints like hips or shoulders, use the same technique as mentioned for knee pain. To relieve neck aches, dilute frankincense essential oil with your carrier oil of choice, or use a body lotion, and apply it to the back of your neck just below the hairline. Use gentle upward strokes to massage the oil into the neck muscles. For backaches, dilute 3 to 4 drops of frankincense essential oil in a tablespoon of carrier oil and apply the mixture to the affected area on your back. Use gentle circular motions and massage techniques to spread the oil across the back. Remember to always perform a patch test on a small area of skin before applying the diluted essential oil to larger areas, just to check for any allergic reactions or sensitivities.